Malawi Brief.
Zokambirana nyumba ya malamulo zayambikanso lero mmawawu, koma lero zayambika ndi Mapokoso, ndipo mkati mwa Mapokosomu Ayuba James amenenso ndi loya komanso phungu nyumbayi satha kupitiriza nawo zokambiranazi pamene watulusidwa pambuyo poti wapalamula izi. Tatiyeni tikhale limodzi kuti tione kuti zakhala bwanji.
Dr. South Chilima is the son of the soul of Ncheu. So the people of Ncheu Central are wondering why there's no representative from Ncheu. Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Ncheu Central East. Do we have Honorable Bengo Moses in here?
Yes.
Yes, your Honorable. Please repeat your constituency name.
Dailes Moses Mbengo, representing the people of Ncheu Zimvai constituency.
Thank you very much. You may take your seat. I don't need to respond more, but you have someone from Ncheu there. Thank you.
General business. Questions or notice to ministers for oral replies.
Yes, I see leader, and then I'll come to you, Whip.
Right Honorable Speaker, good morning. Today we'll start with questions under the Minister of Homeland Security. We'll start with questions under the Minister of Homeland Security. I submit, Right Honorable Speaker.
Thank you very much. We'll start with question number, yes, Whip.
Honorable Speaker, I appreciate your area ruling, but by identifying Honorable Mbengo from Ncheu, that now gives us the picture clearly that we've gotten 7 members from that side. Look, Honorable Ncheu Mbengo, Honorable Nkubi that side, Honorable Nyamilandu that side, the other 4 that side, 7 members that side. Don't we have independence here? Don't we have independence here? We have independence here.
Honorable Mwanza Central, please rise. Honorable Ishmael Nkumba, please rise. Can you see where those are sitting? They are representing their parties and they are sitting with you. And then I should also raise your 3 members from this side. I think be fair, your Whip. It doesn't really matter on the independents where they are sitting. We have independents that have written letters to DPP to join, and they are sitting there. Yes, Mwanza Central, you're raising your hand.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I think we are missing the point. Mr. Speaker, each and every independent candidate, whether this side or that side, is affiliated to a political party. So even if you select members from this side or that side or that side, they are independents. Their affiliation in the House is not known. It's silent. So no, it's silent because they came here as independents. And what matters most is that you selected from independence bloc. Thank you.
Honorable Deputy Whip.
Thank you very much, Right Honorable Speaker. I remember attending the Business Committee. And the bottom line of this, we said we want to have a team that is well balanced. But now what is happening here, it clearly shows that this is not balanced. Because as Mwanza Central has said, all independents are affiliated to a party. Now, if they're sitting that side, it clearly means that they are affiliated to DPP. Those that are sitting on this side, they are affiliated to the parties that are this side. And therefore, I would like to request your office to balance up this. The business committee should meet and balance this issue. Otherwise, we are not being fair to the nation. The nation wants us to close this issue. And therefore, let's do that properly. I beg you, Honorable Speaker, sir. Thank you.
Let me say this. Order, honour members. Let me say this. Maybe before I do that, Honourable Deputy Whip, what is your fear?
Thank you very much, Right Honourable Speaker. I'm not fearing anything, but we just want to balance. We want the nation to accept the team that is going to be doing this work, so that it's fair and well done. And at that time, even with the leader, we agreed that we want this case to be closed. It's time that we really need to close this case. And therefore, we just need a team that when it goes out there, the nation is going to accept that it's well balanced. That's all, as simple as that. What are your fears, Right Honourable Speaker?
Let me respond. The names that were selected from parties that you were presented to the office, and from the independents that I have a list as independents. And there was a motion that passed. That issue is gone. You should have stopped the motion. But let me also say this, that my office will not be dictated on how to run this inquiry. There has been inquiries before using the same measure. I don't want to go into details. And no one raised the point that these inquiries were full of pastors and who. Today, let me guide Parliament as the powers vested in me and do my job as I know it. And that's it. Thank you.
We are doing this for the nation. And that's why the president has put the responsibility on this house. And that time you equally said that you want this house to leave a legacy in how we are going to conduct this inquiry. And therefore I respected what you said that time. I was in the business committee that time. And I respected your sentiments, Right Honourable Speaker, that for the first time, when this House is going to be doing this inquiry, we are going to have an inquiry that is going to be accepted by the whole country. And this is the first step on how we are doing it. And therefore, I'm surprised that you can go that route without maybe underrating your office, but we say that this is for the nation, and this house is for the nation. And therefore, we just need to balance up. It's just balancing up, nothing else, so that everything that is going to be coming out there is well accepted with everyone. Otherwise, in this way, we are already showing to the nation that something's fishy on how we are doing this issue. And therefore, I'd like to request you, Honourable Speaker, with the business committee, as we already said and as already we understood each other, that let's take the right route that is going to help us, and that when this is done, everyone in the country is going to accept it, that yes, it was done in the right way. But with what you have said now, now I'm doubting if really what is going to be done, it's going to be really something that we can respect. With due respect, Honourable Speaker, I still stand on the grounds that you need to go back and look to the independents that have been put there. Because you said it, that you're going to balance up.
Thank
and
you.
We expected that you're going to balance.
Whip, Whip, let me respond. Order, please. Order, please. Order. Please, let's sit down. Whip, I would like you to understand me that your name was not considered, Deputy Whip. Your name was not considered because you were a minister in the former cabinet, and on top of that, no, you want me to go into details? You want me to go into details? You were a minister of defense and we could not consider your name. We asked them to resubmit your name.
I don't have a problem with that. It's
Please
not
switch off your
me.
mic.
It's not about me.
Please switch off your mic.
It's not about me.
I am speaking. Whip, I am speaking. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Deputy Whip, I gave you a chance. Order. Deputy Whip, I gave you a chance. You spoke. I did not cut you. Let me also speak so that we understand each other. I don't know why you and your whip are panicking just to hear the names. Is there something that maybe you need to tell us? Yes, tell me, whip.
Right, Honorable Speaker.
Mind you, whip, these are just names.
Speaker, first let me make a request, a humble request, that we do not reflect on the name that was withdrawn and the reasons for the withdrawal, because it was withdrawn. So it shouldn't form part of this conversation. Yes. The name was withdrawn behind in your office. Why would you bring it here in the discussion of the House, Speaker? No, we don't have to go that...
Whip, please sit down. Please sit down. It looks like there's bitterness.
No.
That's why I'm trying to clarify, because no one will know. No. Please switch off your mic, Whip. Yes, leader. Honour member, please sit down. Honour member, please sit down.
Right, Honourable Speaker, I stand in this House to provide some very, very valuable insights. The rules of this House are clear. When the Speaker is holding the floor, all of us must listen attentively. If we've got issues to raise, let us raise them in a dignified manner. And therefore, we find ourselves in a situation where we're getting engaged with the speakership. It never looks good. The House is our house. If we've got burning issues, let's raise them in a dignified manner. But let's not be seen to be exchanging. That may not be appropriate. I wanted to guide Right Honourable Speaker.
Thank you. Honour members, we now go to question 96. Choro Konjeni Mangunda. Is it on the same issue? What has gone out of order?
Mr. Speaker, I need your protection, Mr. Speaker. I need your protection. Mr. Speaker, this...
Can I have order?
Mr. Speaker, this issue of inquiry, it's a very serious issue. And no one can joke about this. We are all equally concerned. We loved our Vice President just like any other. Mr. Speaker, this is a house of record.
and everything has to be put right. Mr. Speaker, I don't know why is it so difficult that you can call business committee and agree. Otherwise, whatever is happening here is not fair. And I'm not trying to reflect on your ruling, but Mr. Speaker, this is a very serious issue, just as everyone has argued. I would like if you can take it lightly.
Honorable member, I said already, when parties were choosing their names, I did not interfere. The choice for independence sits with the Speaker. You will not tell me what to do, and I will not accept it. Thank you. Thank you. Lilongwe Likuni, I'm invoking 105 on you. Please leave the chamber. Honour members, I think we are all matured here. I will not tolerate insults. I will not tolerate misbehavior. This is going both ways. Let us behave as honorable members. Do not make my job difficult. Do not make me go into something I do not want to go into. We need to respect one another in this house. Nkota Central, you've been standing. Let me give you 1 minute.
Thank you so much, Mr. Speaker. I think you are making your own job difficult because you are being an extremist, to be honest.
Yes. Honorable member, what did you call me?
An extremist. And
can you elaborate what is that?
A person who has very extreme ideological positions.
I'm also giving you 105. Please leave the house.
Point of order.
I'll go out.
Point of order.
I'll go out very proudly. I'll go out very proudly.
Sergeant Adams.
Member.
Cholo Konjeni Mangunda in the house. Please confirm your question.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Good morning. I would like to confirm that the question appearing onto this order paper really comes from the people of Konjeni Mangunda constituency.